Welcome to Mini Toy Breaks. On this episode, we're going to break into two Minnie Mouse sweets and surprise eggs. So let's see what's in there. In pink egg number one, there is some candies, a Minnie Mouse sticker, and a ring with a little design on it. That's pretty cool. And what's on the paper? This is the full set of stuff you can get. Is there more on that side? Nope. There's my ring right there. It's just the mini ears and the bow. That is very fashionable. Let's see what's in the second one. Pop. Another sheet of paper. More heart-shaped candies. A different sticker. That's pretty good. And a different prize. What is this? A buckle of some sort. Yeah, it looks like it snaps onto something. No, it's a little picture frame. Does it stand up? Yes, it does. How about that? Two Minnie Mouse surprise eggs, two neat surprises, and there you have it. Thanks for watching Mini Toy Breaks, and I will see you next time.